How's it going, everyone? Coach JR, and I want to come back with you guys with a few points and ideas I have for the end of the week. Uh, First off, I want to take a look at the market chameleon data when it comes to what it's called the market on close, MOC. You can call it MOC. And this is just a rebalance that we have on daily basis. And it sort of serves as an indication where the market may not go. And in this case, we do have a clear bias towards buys versus sell, 161 counts versus 109, 31.3 million in volume versus 15.7 million. And I think for the first time, there was some sort of like coming from this guy, some information based on the S&P mock. And Trading Thomas 3 was saying that we have, for the first time in a while, a very strong mock purchase, $840 million to buy. I'm not sure if I can get that side on the SPY. I probably can take it on the SPY. See if I can get it here for you guys. I don't think it's there. Okay, so we're just gonna use the mock, the basic mock information. Market on close. What is this one? Order and balance. And so it's free. It's something that you can check every night and sort of have a sense. So, for example, tomorrow, Friday, October 15, all the way to Monday, that was 15, 16, 17, 18, the 18. Don't be surprised if we have actually the S&P moving higher. I will just go over a little bit of technical analysis already. But at the same time, today I wanted to share with you a few ideas that my team put together. First, I want to go long. I'm long, okay? There's no doubt. I want to take an opportunity, and I just want to get any feel again in the morning with the morning flush. If there's a pre-market, and we can take a look how it's Verizon performing after hours. VC, just go quickly take a look on Yahoo Finance. Just another 5 cents, not a big deal. So tomorrow morning, take a look at it's not a surprise. The market is bullish. Whatever you want to think or not, U.S. banks, they're doing very well. So I definitely want to take a quick chance, and we want to jump in this. I'm not going to only share this on my blog for the Profit Flow group, but at the same time, I'm going to share this with our members and with anyone that wants to pay attention and want to make some money in the next week or next 3 weeks with ideas we have. So Verizon bullish. I definitely think this volume indicates that someone is building up a position. There's a continuation. Won't go into basic detail of charting, but if I take a look at where we are, definitely looking at 54.37 all the way back to 55.87. Still, this is a very short-term opportunity, so you want to be taking profits if you make 100%. The contract high, $2.90. Quick hit and run. So if you get filled between 30 to 35 cents, then just kill it at 70 cents, 80 cents. All right. This is the first one. Well, actually, no. This is the first one, Verizon. So, okay, let's recap this one. 56 cents. If you get filled somewhere around 60, 65 cents, make sure the high of the contract to 65. We're looking for 52. Market is trading at 51.97. Shouldn't be a problem to be in the money. I will take a dollar extra. That will take me 40 cents. So if we get $1.50 or even $2, we're looking for another, like I said, 100%. Make sure you get a field at 60, 65 cents. Sell limit at that one will be, that will be 120, 130. There's a chance. Volume today, 6,000 times 56, not a bad thing. Open interest, 2,656 contracts, delta 47. I'm bullish Verizon. Now, let's continue with Comcast, another secret. October 22nd, next Friday, same story. If I'm in profits, if I have 100%, I'm looking to close that position now, 27 cents. I'm looking to actually get a field, 35 cents. That's the most I will be willing to pay for this one. Comcast, CMCSA, same story. I think the volume is dictating that definitely we do have some bullish momentum. Now, this will happen the after hours, and then in the morning. Make sure you get this right there in the first second. Go for the flush and look to get executed on this one. I will have some illustrations of what happened this weekend on the next recap. I will have something to come back. It's a little bit of a follow-up with these ideas that my team is putting together for everyone. We want to make sure that not only if you're in the US, but if you're listening to us in Singapore, Asia, Canada, anywhere, Germany, United Kingdom, if you're watching our videos, if you're following our ideas from the Profit Flow group, you do have an opportunity to bank in. And there's no better way to maximize a bull market than actually trading with options, US options on the US stock market. So my idea of this will be, again, 35 cents Comcast. I'm looking to sell at 80 cents. But if you take two packages, for example, that means if you take $500, $500, if you take $1,000, $1,000, the first $1,000 goes at 100%. And then you want to set your stop loss at break even. So if the price moves 70 cents, for example, then you're going to place your stop loss at 35 cents. Just have a stop loss on your option, okay? So that's Comcast. Next one, a DUK. On DUK, what I want to do, have a little bit more time. So this one, we want to go with it. It went up 31% today. I think there is a chance we go back to 130. So you want to make sure absolutely you look into the ask 75. Either you get it at 75 in the morning, October 15. I'm recording this at almost 2 minutes from October 15. So when the market opens, then look to pay no more than 85 cents, and that's the case. The contract high is 186. So you want to be selling at 170, 100% on this one as well. Delta 23 volume, not as exciting as the others, but still, it's just going. And open interest 4,372 contracts. Now, if I were to go with Duke Energy, take a look at what the volume dictates. Absolutely. Not as high as Verizon or Comcast, but definitely someone is cooking something here, and I can see that happening. Just a couple 100,000 shares away to break the average volume. This one trading not too far from the high of the year back on August 16, 107. And if the S&P 500, the Qs rally, that means the NASDAQ, then we absolutely are looking to crush, either to create a double top or to crush the high of the year. Either way, we're looking to make some money on this one. Let's continue. Next one, idea number 4, NEE. Let me just pull that here for everyone. Next Extra Energy. Same story. Look at the volume. Same story like Duke. Same story, same game plan. Couple $100,000 shares from breaking that average volume. Still, the volume indicates there's a momentum, bullish momentum high so far, August of this year, 86.28. I'm looking to break that one. Plenty time this trade. Again, November 19. Not plenty time, but at least it's not a 2-week thing. It's probably almost 30 days on this idea. The 85, 29% up today. Contract high, $2.65. I will say go and get filled between 90 cents. Just max pay 90 cents and then just look for 100% of this idea as well. And look to sell limit. Go for your sell limit at $1.80. I would say probably go for a sell limit at $2 just to have an idea. $2, okay? So that will be $2 on NEE. And finally, I have something else that popped into my radar coming from my team. They put together the idea of AMC. We actually banked on this one today. It was just a quick trade in and out. High of the day was 125. Each got the low was 44 cents. We probably got it at 70, and 125 will almost double our money today. 60-70% of the trade. I still think there's a lot to squeeze here. AMC, I see absolutely this stock will be worth $100. We started trading it at $30, $32, $35. Look at the volume, same story. Not too far. I mean, not a couple 100,000 shares. It's just more like 1 million shares away, but not too far. It's building up after hours. It's slightly in red, not a big deal. But here's the thing: first take. We need to take out $50, and then we are in line to take out of the equation 59. Once we pass 59, get ready. This thing is going to fly. I know the popcorn is not that good, but either way, that is what's happening. So this one, it's another short-term trade, $45, $40. It's not impossible. Day range 41.10. That was the high today. If I look at a 5-day range, all we have to do is close above $40.98. If I look at a month, then we only have to do is to close above $40.65. That opens the doors to once again go to 41.10. Past that breakout, then absolutely we're looking for 48. Can I do it in a week? We will know in a couple of days. We'll know. But definitely, if we don't have something happening by Thursday, then absolutely I will be looking to close my position. So these are the first 5 trades that I have for this week. They will be posted in our blog. And the reason is to come and give you some ideas, give you some direction, take advantage of what's happening. And like I said, I want to take a look at what's happening on SPY. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. Let's take a look at the S&P. CFDs. I think the data from Rwanda. Look, there's not a secret. We had a dip a couple of weeks. We have 4 weeks full allocation here. I see difficult that we suddenly going to have a trend change. I don't think so. We are in a continuation. Look for the breakout, and then we're looking for at least initially 4,800. Get ready. You should be considered long positions. Not everything is going to fly, but definitely there's evidence to indicate that we got a lot of volume coming in, and that was buying energy. Definitely this weekly is telling us that at least we're going to retest 4,487. That's another 40 points, and past that level, the magic begins. Closing the gap, and from that point, any pullbacks will be considered. Absolutely, you have to think there will be considered opportunities to go long. Mostly, you have to thank everything. Always remember, thank to the Fed. There will be a little bit of discrepancies. Expect a weaker dollar, so take a look at the dollar index. You might have a correction. Seasonality indicates that going into December, into Christmas, the dollar tends to get weaker a little bit. So that will be an opportunity for you to pay attention in how we may have some opportunities in equities. So I thank you for watching. If you like what where you're hearing the ideas and everything, please go ahead and smash the like button and give us a like, and also share this information with anyone you think it may be helpful. I will come back with more ideas and a follow-up video next week in regards to these couple ideas. Like I said, my team put together. Thank you so much. This has been Coach JR from the Profit Flow Group. Thank you, and talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao.